Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3-layered video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select the 1x1. Oops, sorry, I meant the 9x16 one, and I'm just going to make this one kind of the biggest one, and I'm going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to select cutout on the second layer like so, and then I'm going to start adding videos here. I'm going to add it underneath that, and I'm just going to place that one here, for instance, and then I'm going to just move this up a little bit. Whoops. Select both, by the way, because you'll need to do that. Still trying to place it in the middle. And lastly, I want something at the very top, maybe like a city skyline or a what's it called, like the sky. I'm just going to do I'll do like scenery for this one. That's what I meant. And I'll do one of like the city here. Just going to place that underneath, and as you can see, you'll be able to like see him like out up here as well because I selected the cutout button. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.